Perlite in 100 seconds.
Perlite is a naturally occurring volcanic glass that has a high water content. When heated to around 100 degrees Celsius, it expands significantly, much like popcorn, resulting in a lightweight, porous material. In gardening, perlite is valued for its ability to improve soil aeration and drainage. It helps prevent soil compaction, allowing roots to grow more freely and access oxygen and nutrients more effectively. Additionally, perlite is sterile, long-lasting, and doesn't deteriorate over time. Perlite has a neutral pH, typically around 7.0, which means it doesn't affect the acidity or alkalinity of the soil. It is lightweight due to its porous nature, making it easy to handle and mix with other growing mediums. Perlite has excellent insulating properties, which can help protect plant roots from extreme temperature fluctuations. Mixing perlite into potting soil is quite straightforward and can significantly improve soil aeration and drainage. Here's a simple method to do it. A common ratio is 1 part perlite to 3 parts potting soil. Adjust this based on your plant's needs. More perlite for better drainage, less for more moisture retention. Combine the perlite and potting soil in your container. Use your hands to mix them until evenly distributed. The mixture should be light and fluffy, with no clumps of perlite or soil. This mix is great for potted plants, especially those who prefer well-drained soil, like succulents and cacti. Perlite is versatile and can be used in various gardening and horticulture scenarios. Some of those include seed starting. Mix perlite with seed starting mix to improve aeration and drainage, helping seeds germinate more effectively. Propagation. Use perlite for root cuttings. Its sterile nature and excellent drainage properties create an ideal environment for new roots to develop. Hydroponics. Perlite can be used as a growing medium in hydroponic systems due to its ability to retain moisture while giving good aeration. Lawn care. Incorporate perlite into the soil when establishing new lawns or repairing patches to improve soil aeration and water retention. Beyond gardening, perlite is used in construction, in filtration systems, and even as an abrasive in some cleaning products. Now that's perlite in 100 seconds.